$32.90.
I'm Jason. I'm Jason. The world is yours, and this is my Trader Joe's shopping haul. Okay, so let's see what we purchased. First item was some garlic stick bread. These were $2.99. Super delicious. 8 per package. I have these with breakfast. Picked up some baby spinach. You know, gotta have the vitamin K. These were $1.99. Some baby spinach. Picked up some grilled chicken strips. These were, I think, $5.99. Really good deal. I could have like 3 meals out of this. Throw this with some eggs, throw this with some rice for breakfast or for dinner. Super delicious. Only $5.99. Some mozzarella cheap strips. String. These were $3.49. Picked up some garlic naan. These are super delicious. You heat these up and just have them with like some hummus. I don't have any hummus at the moment, but garlic naan. I think this was $2, $1.99. Macaroni Mac and Cheese, of course. This was, let me see. This is $1.99. I think it's only 1 serving, but probably can get 2 servings out of this. Dark chocolate peanut butter, of course. Peanut butter cups, my favorite. These are the best. Only 99 cents. I only purchased 1, so I didn't go crazy. I should have bought like 10, but I only bought 1. 99 cents. Great deal. Gotta have some sweets. Ground turkey. Let me see how much this costs. The natural ground turkey was $3.99. Gotta eat this quick. I mean, you could throw it in the freezer, but the freeze by date is June 4th. That's like 2 weeks from now, or actually think that's next week. So I gotta eat this pretty quickly. Some salami. Goes with the mozzarella. Just wrap it around, have a quick little snack. Low on carbs, of course. Blueberries. These are so delicious, and they were only $2.99. It's a lot of blueberries for $2.99. It's a really good, you know, you could have, I throw these in my oatmeal, I throw them in my yogurts, and I just eat them alone as a snack, of course. Fruits are the best. Some apple cinnamon sticks kind of a things. Cereal bars. These were, I think these were $1.99. There's only there's 6 in per package, so that's a good deal. It's a nice little snack before the gym, or in the morning, or even at night, like before I go to sleep. Quick little snack. Purchased 2 green tea, 1 pomegranate. No, this is just raspberry. These black teas, I love this. It's very low in sugar. Total sugar is only like 10 grams. Really low in sugar. 45 calories. That's really delicious. And these were, I think they were $1.16 each. That's a good deal. And last but not least, the most important, rosé. I love rosé. This was only $6.99, but I'm a huge fan of rosé. I'm gonna celebrate this. I'm gonna celebrate Memorial Weekend with this at the beach tomorrow. I hope everyone's having a great holiday, 3-day holiday Memorial Day weekend. Yeah, so that was my Trader Joe's shopping haul. As you can see, the total price was, how much was it? $42.90. Stayed under the $50 mark. I could have spent more, I could have spent less. It's not like the most complete, thought out shopping haul. I just hopped into Trader Joe's and picked up a few items. Yeah, so let me know what you think. Any of these items you purchase, you buy, what do you buy when you go to Trader Joe's? Thanks for watching. Happy Memorial Day weekend.